Welcome back to your favorite Crypto Daily Show. Today we're solving a critical issue many users face. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, using the seed phrase safely and effectively. Stick around to avoid common mistakes and secure your funds.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
Disclaimer: the content on this channel is meant only to provide helpful insights, tips, and information on certain subject or topic. While we strive to provide accurate and up-to-date knowledge, this is not a substitute for professional advice. Always consult a qualified expert or professional for your specific needs. We encourage you to use this content as a guide for learning and additional information. If you think this does not fit what you want, please skip the video.
Before diving in, let's talk about your seed phrase. This phrase is your master key to accessing your SafePal wallet. Not with Binance, not with any individual, it's solely for restoring or recovering your wallet in trusted platforms like SafePal. Here's what you'll need to successfully transfer your USDT from SafePal to Binance One, your SafePal wallet app or device. 1. A Binance account with the USDT deposit address. 1. A small amount of gas fees in the blockchain's native token. If you're transferring on the TRC20 network, you'll need TRX. For BEP20, you'll need BNB. Now let's get started with the transfer process. Follow these steps carefully. Open the SafePal wallet app. If you need to recover your wallet, use your seed phrase to restore it securely. Confirm you have USDT in your SafePal wallet. Check the blockchain network, for example TRC20, ERC20 or BEP20, and ensure you have the required gas fees for the transfer. Log into your Binance account, navigate to, choose the same network, for example TRC20, BEP20, that your USDT is on in SafePal. Copy the deposit address Binance provides. Go to your USDT wallet in the SafePal app and click on. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Select the correct blockchain network for the transfer. Review the transaction details including the gas fees. Confirm and initiate the transaction. After initiating the transfer, you can track the transaction using the Blockchain Explorer for the respective network. For example, Tron Scan for TRC20 or BSCS Scan for BEP20. Once confirmed, the USDT will appear in your Binance wallet. Here are some common issues you might face and how to handle them. 1. And there you have it. Everything you need to know to safely transfer USDT from SafePal wallet to Binance. Always double check your recipient address, network selection, and gas fees to ensure a smooth transaction. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your crypto community. Join us tomorrow for another exciting crypto topic on the Crypto Daily Show. Until then, happy trading and stay secure.
Thanks for watching.